for a graph of y is equal to log x to the base a, first point is it can never take negative values. When I'm saying it can never take negative values, it means I'm talking about input.
Okay, so x values.
X values can never be negative, and it is clearly evident from the graph also. In the graph, you
Yeah.
can see that this portion is just on the right hand side, there is nothing on the x. Okay?
Yeah.
But never take negative value often gets misunderstood as it can never get negative values. Okay?
Hmm.
It can give negative values. Okay, it can never take negative values, but it can give negative values. That also we can see from the graph. Give negative values means you can see this portion of the graph, it's negative. So for some values of x, this is having negative answer. Okay, so log of a number can give you negative answer, but it can never take negative, and that you can check in your calculator. Now in your calculator, when you will find log of -1, -2, -3, whatever, anything like that, you will get math error. Okay.
Hmm.
If you'll find log of a number which is greater than 1, let's say 2, 3, 4, then you will get some positive answer. That is also visible in the graph. They are all positive after 1. If you will put x is equal to 1, let's say if you are finding log of 1, you will get 0. And if you will find log of anything between 0 to 1, the calculator will give you negative answer, and that you can see over here. Okay?
Okay.
So that also I can write that for x between 0 to 1, log x is always negative. For x greater than 1, log x is always positive. For x equal to 1, log x is equal to 0. Okay. For x less than 1, log x is not defined.
Okay.
Okay. So all these things will be helpful in solving various questions. Okay. Directly nothing will be asked, but yeah, they will be applied in the questions.